What do I do in thunderstorms, lightning, and thunder? Buildings with lightning protection systems or closed vehicles offer the best protection against storms, lightning, and thunder. Avoid proximity to tents and poles and avoid touching metal objects. Avoid trees. Lightning doesn't choose the type of tree, but strikes all trees, especially when they stand alone in a wide area or their tops are particularly high. A forest is therefore not a good place to shelter from a thunderstorm. Lightning can strike a tree at any time, and gusts of thunderstorm can cause branches to break off. Trees are not the only attractions for lightning, but also wooden bowls, bodies of water, and ridges, as well as narrow hollows and cave entrances. Lightning is the most dangerous part of thunderstorm. After all, there are 9 million lightning bolts a day and around 2,000 thunderstorms on Earth. The formation of thunderstorms is still not exactly clarified. However, its danger is undistributed. Within a radius of up to 10 meters from a lightning strike, there can still be direct effects on the organism. Even if lightning strikes 1 to 2 meters from a person, it can be deadly. Consequences of lightning strikes are severe burns and/or cardiovascular failure. Lightning doesn't only occur in a thunderstorm when it's raining. Lightning also discharges outside of the rainy area. It's therefore just as dangerous around a thunderstorm as it's directly in the center. There are other dangers in a thunderstorm from hail and tornadoes. However, both are relatively rare. A thunderstorm is very close when less than 10 seconds elapse between lightning and thunder. In the great outdoors, one is never completely safe from lightning discharges. Staying in and around the water is particularly life-threatening. Basically, take shelter inside a building during a thunderstorm. In the event of a thunderstorm, the best place to stay is in a house with a lightning conductor or in a closed car. In spite of the lightning rod, one is only absolutely safe in a Faraday cage. This is a closed cage like the car, made of metal rods that no lightning in the world can penetrate. Our recommendation: find a flat spot, or even better, a deepening in the field. Keep a minimum distance of 50 meters from overhead power lines. Avoid open spaces, mountain peaks, trees, towers, pillars, masts, antennas, and don't lean on fences. Individually high objects attract the flash. Don't stay on hills, don't stop near bodies of water. Avoid any objects with metal parts such as umbrellas and bicycles. In the house during a thunderstorm, to be on the safe side, disconnect the electrical devices from the power supply. No shower, no bath. If there are no protective areas, squat down, put your feet close together, and close your arms around your knees.